As the Prime Minister holds an all-important meeting on his Make in India campaign later today, in his own constituency, an infectious disease is threatening the decades-old weavers community. The handloom weavers of Varanasi, already struggling to keep their craft alive, now face a new menace: the scourge of tuberculosis. Terrible working conditions has allowed the disease to spread rapidly, and even though the government's TB control program is underway, the spread of the disease has not halted. Yet, there are no figures on how many from the community are affected or remain undiagnosed. Neha Masi reports.
In these narrow lanes of Kutwa village in Varanasi lies the darker side of the Make in India dream. Barely 15, Ramzan Ali is hunched over a loom which produces beautiful handmade silk saris sold around the world. But Ramzan is very sick. He has been a tuberculosis patient for 2 years.
इनका अलग सब रहता है।
अच्छा।
और सबका अलग रहता है।
पर इसको खाना ठीक से मिलता है?
हाँ देते हैं, जिससे अब नहीं है तो जो हो सका तो आदमी देता अंडा दो शाम को देते हैं।
In October, popular television show Satyamev Jayate had shown the story of Ghulam, their elder son, also a tuberculosis patient, who lost his life barely 15 days later in November.
उसको MDR बीमारी था, कुछ मतलब कि दवा लेट में चालू हुआ, उसके बाद शुरू हुआ तो आराम हुआ। अब उसके बाद मतलब ये फेफड़े में उसको फट गया फेफड़ा।
अच्छा।
अब उसके रात में खून की उल्टी हुई।
Local health workers say that tuberculosis is spreading like a scourge amongst the 2 lakh strong weaver community.
देखा जाए तो हर घर में आपको टीबी के मरीज मिल जाएंगे।
हर घर में एक टीबी का
मरीज मिल जाएंगे अगर कायदे से अगर जांच हो जाए तो।
Over 3 lakh people die of tuberculosis in India every year. But what compounds the problem amongst the weavers of Varanasi are the terrible working conditions. Closed, cramped spaces where many are working simultaneously. Being a highly infectious disease, even a cough is enough to infect many others.
The village health center constructed 5 years ago is lying in shambles. In spite of the looming challenge, government TB officers have no figures for the number of affected weavers, only that their control program is in place.
मैंने अब ये जो अभियान है वो शुरू कर दिया है। मैंने इसमें आंगनबाड़ी और उनके मोहल्ले के सभासद और इन सबको भी मैंने इन्वॉल्व करना चालू कर दिया। इनके साथ मीटिंग कर रहा हूँ, तो ये क्योर हो जाएगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi may be going big on Make in India campaign and tapping Varanasi for special treatment. But Farzan Ali has not heard of it. But he hopes that his MP will help the community tide over the bad times.
बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, यहाँ के प्रधानमंत्री हुए हैं, तो हम लोगों को बहुत उनको उम्मीद है कि हाँ अच्छे दिन आएंगे।
With camera person Ramesh Verma in Varanasi, Neha Masi for NDTV.